Today at the clinic we've had Clover rushed in as an emergency appointment. For the last 24 hours she's been off colour, she's not really wanted to eat anything, and she started being sick quite a lot and also some diarrhoea, and she's really just flat and depressed, and you can see she looks really miserable. And on examination, when I feel in her tummy, I can feel something stuck there, and we think that she'd probably eaten something that's moved through the stomach into the intestine, and it's got stuck in the intestine and is causing an obstruction. So what we've done is she's just on a drip, and she's had some antibiotics into her vein, and we've taken an x-ray, and you can see on this x-ray that there is indeed something stuck in the intestine, and we know that it's causing obstruction because you can also see some gas around that white foreign body there. The gas is the black area on the x-ray, so we know it's causing obstruction, and what we need to do is go in and remove it. So as soon as the antibiotics have kicked in, we're going to go ahead and do surgery to see what we can find. Clover's all asleep now. She's finished all her antibiotics, so we're okay to go ahead and start the surgery. So I've induced her, we've put a tube in there to help her breathe, and the nurses are just clipping her up and preparing her site surgically now. So all that remains is for me to prepare myself, and we can start the operation. So this is what we could see on the x-ray. We can see the foreign body stuck within the intestines here. Feels like it might be stone maybe, difficult to say until we get inside. Worrying development though, I don't know if you can see, but usual gut should be a nice pink colour just like this. But as you can see, it's gone nasty and black over the area that the stone has travelled. Same back here, etc. And I worry that this gut might not be viable, might not survive after we take the stone out. So we'll take it out and have a little look and see whether the colour changes, but it might be that we have to take a portion of the gut out, which considerably increases the chance of a complication. So we're going to crack on with the surgery now. Okay, so Clover's all out of the operation now, and she's just starting to recover, so I'm leaving with the nurses to monitor her, and hopefully she'll come around absolutely fine. The surgery went okay. It's always a bit of a worry when you have to take intestines out, but they were just too black, and they weren't contracting anymore, so I didn't think they were going to survive after the surgery, so we had to take those out. But that means that we've got a much greater chance of breakdown after the operation. So it's going to be a real close eye on her for the next 2 to 3 days, and hopefully she'll make a full recovery. But this is the culprit right here. It's been cleaned. It's a stone that she's eaten, and we'll see whether she eats another one at some point in her life, but she'll have to get through the current surgery now. So I'll pop back to keep a close eye on her.